How to add money to Cash App. Hello everybody, in order to do that you may follow up this method. So first thing is you may open up a Cash App on your screen and you should be finding this interface. Now from the given interface you may directly tap on the bank icon in the bottom left corner, usually located by a bank if you don't have any money, but if you have, we have this dollar icon. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on it, it will show you total cash balance, including that here we have option to add cash and cash out. So in order to add cash, the first thing you can do is you can either deposit and transfer money or use a Bitcoin or use a linked account. For example, you can go ahead and add up a bank account. You may tap on that link banks option and link a bank. After that, continue with the process of linking your bank. And then go ahead and select up a bank from where you would like to transfer the money from. And once the bank is added, you may head back to the page and then you should be finding an add cash option on your screen. Just go ahead and tap on it. After that, enter the amount that you would like to add into your cash application. So that's it. Just go ahead and enter, follow the on-screen prompts, tap on add, and you should be able to add money on your Cash App. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.